Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. If you're new here, hi, my name is Caro, and if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing. Hit that subscribe button and join the family. So today's video, I'll be showing you how I do my chapos. There's this video that I posted on Facebook and you guys really commented on it. Mulipenda, mukiniuliza recipe, and then some of you mulikuwa mnaniuliza nilikuwa nimeweka nini. So today I'm here to show you how exactly I do my chapatis. I'm not perfect on this, but this year I said I'm gonna up my game. So I make sure I at least cook chapos once per week, that is on Saturdays. So this is just a normal pumpkin, nachonga, and then I'll boil it. Then at this point I add salt. And then I bring this to boil, to cook. Zimeiva. And over here I'm cooking porridge because it's porridge time. So the next thing is mashing the pumpkin. Unafaa uzimash zikiwa tu moto. At this point you can use a blender to blend them, but for me sijifeel kuchafua blender yangu. So I just mash these kabisa. Then also add this soap from the pumpkin. Now this point is where I add sugar. Remember nilikuwa nimeweka chumvi nikiboil, so there's no need to add more salt. And since I'm not making a lot of chapatis, then there's no need to add more water. But kama unapika chapo mingi, then you add water here. So for me, I just go ahead and put my flour. When it comes to kneading, you have to take a lot of time doing that. Maybe 5 minutes to 10 until your dough is not sticky on your hands. See? It's not sticky. Mafuta utaweka mingi kidogo tu. Then I'll cover this with nylon paper. And then I let it rest for the longest time I can. Right now ni saa 10, so nitaiwacha irest hadi saa 1 ndio nitaanza kupika. See you then. It's been over 2 hours and my dough is ready. As you can see, it's so soft and stretchy. That's how you know it's ready. So the next thing is just making those 2 portions, the small portion, na kupaka mafuta. Once I'm done applying oil and making these circles, then I cover again as I cook my stew, and then chapatis nazipikanga zikiwa za mwisho, so zita rest for about 30 minutes. And my chapatis are ready, you guys. I'm excited. I'm upping my game slowly by slowly, you guys. The maximum I cook is 8 chapos, and on this day I cooked 6. they were so soft and so tasty. See that, you guys? So if you find this video helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, peace.